In this video, we're talking about Bitlight token, legit or scam. Before investing, friends, on this token, do your own research, do your own personal research, and let's get started. What is this, guys? This is a Bitcoin layer 2 protocol focused for scalable and low-cost stablecoins payment through integration with Bitcoins in a smart contracts system and Light network. So, guys, this is based on contract system and Light network, and this is, guys, stable transaction directly based layer for a scalability solution with smart contracts. This is the sum price of this token is almost $1.11 with 100 up on last day. If I check this token listed on BankXSwap, Binance Alpha, Bitget, Cocons, BankXSwap, and Uniswap V3, the bullish is 89%. If you see the bullish and bearish, I see here, you can see here 11 bearish, and this is the one. If I check on total supply is 420 million of this token, holders 5,000 members, and max supply almost 420 million of this token. This is good statistic, guys. Profile score is 61%. If I see the all-time high of this token is $1.20 with the price up to 71% last 24 hours. If I check this community, I see some engaging here on this community. People share, engage, and things, different things here. This is also good and strong indicator. This is based on layer, guys. As I say, this token based on layer 2 protocol. This is the first one. And if I check the transaction, I see some here. I see transaction. I see approved transaction and transfer with the amount, different amount on BNB here, guys. You can see here. This is good indicator. So, guys, if I go back on this token, explore similar of this token, this is all about of this token, guys. I give this token 7 on 10, and this is not financial advice. Do your own research before investing, and thanks for watching this